Where I look at you? Camera.
Just look right here where my hand is.
I'm looking.
Yeah, so just look right here. Just look like right here, right above the camera, you know. Or yeah, just look right here.
So I can look right at the camera.
Yeah, as you're talking to them, you know. Yeah, like that's what I would do. Like look at the Canon, you know, Canon. Hi guys, how you doing? Yeah, but this here.
I can't say hi, guys.
That's right. Say whatever you want.
Hello. Are you recording? Oh yeah. You better not use that. Now I gotta start over. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hi everybody. This is Selena. I want to show you how to make the quickest and easiest rice in probably a quarter of the time you use a rice cooker. Because we eat rice almost every day, and that rice cooker is killing me, taking 30-40 minutes. I probably do have a slow one. Okay, I was at the small chain store at work on a lunch break, and I stopped by to get something to drink, and I walked across right past this. It is the MicroMaster microwave pressure cooker. This is my new favorite tool. I love it. I love it so much. I went and bought a second one, so if this one happened to mess up or a part messed up, I had a spare. I had a backup. And the good thing is, this thing was only $5. Before tax, of course. $5. So I bought it to test it out because I was like, you know, as seen on TV, that stuff is probably pretty cheap. So I was like, but $5, I'll give it a try. $5 won't hurt me. Anyways, here's your top. Your little turn spout, either to let air out to ventilate or to closed ventilation. Open it to ventilate, close to keep the steam in. So you can use it for multiple things, but I just use mine for rice. 100% rice. So it comes with a little cool rice spoon, and it comes with its own measuring cup. So the only confusion I had when I first bought this, it just said 2 to 3. So it was 2 of these cups. It didn't say cups. It was 2 of these cups to 3 of these cups. So whatever it was like 2 cups to 2 portions rice, 3 portions water. It was all based on this cup right here. So this cup is based on 3/4. And if you do lose it, just know that it's based on a 3/4 cup measuring cup. So here's my rice. This is my rice cooker scooper. See how much difference they are? This one says 3/4 too, but it looks smaller. So I'm only doing 2 cups of rice. So 1 of these cups. Almost out. 2 of these cups. And the water measurement is different as well. And the little pamphlet that you get inside. Let me grab mine real quick. It got damaged. It's pretty messed up. It comes with a little pamphlet and it tells you 1 measure of rice. So this is considered 1 measure. So the cup is 1 measure of rice. So I'm doing 2 cups of rice. So you need to do 3 1/4 measures using the cup that came with. So I'm going to go get my water real quick. I'll be right back. My 3 1/4. I didn't feel like making 4 different trips. And if you insist on cleaning your rice, fine. I don't always. Because I'm in a hurry. So I'm not trying to waste time. My kids are hungry. They're starving. Add a little salt to it. And I add just a little bit of olive oil. And you don't have to add any of that either. Give it a quick stir. So this is the best part. That pamphlet will tell you everything to do with your MicroMaster pressure cooker. So with the rice, you ventilate, you open the ventilators, and it has these cute little clips that you have to clip on. Done. This is the best part. It goes in your microwave for 13 minutes. So 1300. You place it in here. It doesn't get messy. It doesn't spill all over your microwave. None of that. When it's done, I'll show you. The lid has 2 separate parts to it. Then you hit start. So you cook for 13 minutes in your microwave. When you take it out, you close the ventilator, and I'll show you that as well. And you let it sit for another 5 and 10 minutes to let the rice soak up the steam like it would in a steamer. But the rice comes out perfect. It does not come out mushy. It does not come out hard. It is 100% perfect. So we'll go ahead and fast forward this until it's done. So we have about 12 and a half more minutes. All right, 13 minutes it's been in the microwave. It is now out. When I took it out, I closed the ventilation little vent thing to let the steam stay in and steam the rice. So this was closed. So now we get to open it. I think I let it set for 4 or 5 minutes, not long. And the steam goes, and then voila, you got rice that is completely done and perfect to texture. It's not mushy, it's not hard, it is perfect. Look at that, guys. But what I want to show you, so this is the quick and easiest way, other than minute rice that you buy in the stupid thing and you have to boil in water and it goes all over your microwave. This is the quickest and easiest way possible. And to clean it, you can throw it in the dishwasher, top shelf safe. It's plastic. You have to take off this part, and everything comes apart so you can properly clean it. Even the ventilator thing. So everything comes apart. Stick it in the top shelf, dishwasher safe. You don't even have to wash anything if you don't want to. And there you go. If you like this video, guys, hit like, share it, let me know, leave a comment, and wait until next time. But right now, the quick and easiest way to cook rice is with this little $5 contraption. Thank you guys. Have a good day.